Stay protected and informed with a solar wireless motion alert system. It will alert you at any time a vehicle or person enters your property. Installation could be easier. The transmitter is powered by solar energy, so no wiring, no need to replace battery. Simply plug and play, and then we are ready to go. It also can be used to keep your kids safe if they run out of the house or close to the pool. Or alert you if strangers enter your backyard. The sensor is waterproof, so that it works all year round and no matter about the weather.